Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with the topic hotspots of biodiversity. We have already talked about biodiversity and the various types of biodiversity. The three types we had discussed: genetic, species, and ecosystem diversity. Biodiversity, also called as biological diversity, is a term that describes the variety of living beings on Earth. It is described as a degree of variation of life. Biological diversity includes variety of microorganisms, plants, animals, various ecosystems, forests, deserts, etc. It also refers to the number or the abundance of different species living within a particular region. So biodiversity represents the wealth of biological resources available to us. But today, if we see, we find that the biodiversity is getting reduced day by day. Several species of plants and animals are getting extinct. Not only natural factors, but human factors have played a vital role here in the destruction of biodiversity. Deforestation, poaching, hunting, pollution, climate change, destruction of habitats and ecosystem by human activities, all these are responsible for the destruction of biodiversity. So there is a need for us to conserve our biodiversity, and we need to take steps regarding it. Let us now understand what is a hotspot of biodiversity. By hotspot, we mean a biogeographical region with significant level of biodiversity that is threatened with destruction. So a region or a place that has significant level of biodiversity means it has got a lot of variety. Various species of plants and animals are found in this place. But now this particular place is in danger or it is threatened with destruction because of various natural and artificial factors, man-made factors. The biodiversity is threatened and various species of plants and animals are on the verge of getting extinct. So such a place is called as a hotspot of biodiversity. There are certain plants and animals which we find only in certain places. They are specifically restricted to a particular place on Earth. For example, the polar bears are found in the Arctic region. Hence, such species which are found only at certain places are referred to as endemic. So endemic means those plants and animal species which are found only at a particular place on Earth. So such animals and plants are more susceptible to get extinct if necessary precautions are not taken. So such places, that is hotspots, need to be taken care of. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity hotspots are reported all over the world. Such areas had once occupied 15.7% area of the earth. So earlier this area was very large, but now it has been restricted to just 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots are reported all over the world. At present, 86% of sensitive areas are already destroyed. Presently, only 2.3% area of the earth has been left over with sensitive spots. It includes 150,000 plant species, which are 50% of the world count. As far as India is concerned, out of 135 species of animals, 85 species are found in the jungles of eastern region. About 1,500 endemic plant species are found in Western Ghats. Out of the total plant species in the entire world, 50,000 are endemic. So seeing all these figures, we realize that the condition is very severe and vital steps need to be taken in order to save the biodiversity, especially those species which are endemic and are found only at certain places. They need to be conserved. You must all read the information paragraph that is given on page number 44. One last paragraph has been given. 3 endangered heritage places of the country. It tells you about the Manas Sanctuary and the Sundarban Sanctuary, and tells us about the various species of animals which are on the verge of getting extinct and are under threat. So that is all about hotspots of biodiversity.